Name 2 Big Zulu songs. Okay. What is up, your lyrics? I'm here with
Stand up comedy Leagan Ways, the UH Sawa so much as 1 hour.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Well, something is Name 2 Big Zulu songs.
Bye.
Okay.
Sayona.
Yes.
It's a K1.
Yeah, I won.
Yeah.
No, Mama, he's featured. It's fine.
Okay, in Kabzeze.
Yeah.
Ile acted we keep a man, you know.
You become alive.
Imangoiso.
Okay.
Abazaz bafuna no MT.
Oh, okay. And love.
Umuza sentini. Ay. Mina zame dance on my mind.
Okay, how many tracks are on the album that's dropping on the 12th, né? 12th of April. On the 11th of April, how many songs are on the new album?
12.
Okay! Ndile knows, guys, what he's doing here. Period.
There's 12 tracks.
Okay, somebody favorite track?
I like the one with the interlude with Java and Ma7.
Okay.
That one is very nice.
12.
Period.
I'll tell you.
What's Big Zulu? Please give a shout out to Yana Lyrics.
Okay, wait. Okay. Let's get this, ne? Okay. Shout out Yana Lyrics. Keep doing it for the culture.